United States Environmental Protection Agency reports in their challenges for the new millennium that close to 40% of the water the states have surveyed are too polluted for basic use, like fishing and swimming. Employees and business owners to help reverse the impact our everyday lives have on our environment. From gas station fuel spills to grease traps overflows to recreational facility overuse, Verde Environmental Incorporated's microblaze microbial products use microbial technology to combat organic and hydrocarbon-based contamination. Micro, nature's cleanup brigade. It is non-pathogenic, non-corrosive, and will not harm metal, PVC, or rubber materials. Environmental Incorporated, in partnership with a leading biotechnology corporation, has extensively researched and selected strains of microbes best suited for organic hydrocarbon degradation. It is these non-toxic, non-pathogenic strains that go into microblaze microbial products. How do you use microblaze microbial products? It's used worldwide by emergency response units and fire departments to clean up spills and leaks that threaten the public safety on our roads and highways. Industrial facilities are reducing their turnaround downtime and other costs using microblaze microbial products for tank and tower cleaning and for in-plant spills. But it can be used to clean up so much more. In the next few minutes, we'll see how using microblaze microbial products in general commercial and household use can help combat our everyday pollution. In many cases, communities' pollution problems first surface at the local wastewater treatment plant, where in many cases overworked facilities are not able to keep up with the increasing demand for treatment. Municipal wastewater treatment plant operators have found that microblaze microbial products can help alleviate the burden by remediating grease buildups before they enter the plant. This city has installed simple drip systems using microblaze microbial products at several lift stations around the community where excess greases and other overloads were commonly found clogging the units.
We have 18 lift stations in town, and we've been applying it at 4 of them in our heaviest grease problem areas. And we've seen a reduction in the grease in these lift stations, and the treatment, the microblaze does make its way out to the plant here, where we're seeing good results in the plant also.
City personnel have their drip system set up to administer 1 quart over a 90-minute period into the wet well every 24 hours. In general, we recommend 1 gallon of product be introduced into the system for 1 million gallons of influent per day. This amount may differ with your requirements. Check with your microblaze distributor. Occasional oversprays into the wet well itself helps take care of larger influxes of greases and other wastes. The unit being shown is a 2-gallon watertight fire extinguisher with a 3% solution of microblaze microbial products. Here's how one restaurant manager cut his cleaning time and his labor costs by using microblaze microbial products around the restaurant instead of traditional type cleaners and degreasers.
My name's Eric. I've been in the restaurant business probably 6.5 years now. Now I'm a store manager. I've been at that position for about 4 years. Looking for all sorts of products I can get to save money and put more money in the owner's pocket. And microblaze came along, and I said, well, hey, let's give it a try. And it ended up eliminating our drip system for our grease traps, and just going to the 5 buckets a day we put down the drain, got rid of that cost every month. And we also use it for the restrooms. It makes it smell a lot nicer in there. It gets rid of a lot of the odors from human waste that build up in our. When we did our vent hoods, we used just a degreasing product and a high pressure sprayer. We spray down in the hoods from starting at the top, work our way down so that we get all the grease that builds up throughout the whole system in the vent hood. Normally we just spray some degreaser on there, let it sit, spray it off, and you spray on it for, 15, 20, 30 minutes a hood, depending on how bad it was. And our restaurant has 5 of them now. That's a good hour and a half, 2 hours for the spraying right there on the roof.
The worst odor offenders around food establishments is the dumpster area. Microblaze microbial products can be sprayed inside, outside, and around the dumpster to keep grease and odors to a minimum. Recreational campgrounds and campers alike can use Microblaze microbial products to keep their RVs and outside areas clean and fresh-smelling. Just a few ounces into the black water tank after each dump station release keeps the camping experience a more enjoyable one. This family pours an ounce into every drain once a week while cleaning. No need to use toxic cleaners anymore. With its pleasant aroma, Microblaze microbial products maintain gray water tank odors from rising up into campers' living areas. For oil spill cleanup on concrete pads, parking lots, and driveways. It works quickly to lift up the spill and biodegrade leaks of motor oils, antifreeze compounds, as well as gasoline and diesel spills. Fuel spills are dangerous and can be an explosive situation. Throwing kitty litter or sand on a fuel spill only creates more pollution and compounds the problem. Microblaze microbial products knock down the hazardous vapors and minimize fire and explosive dangers. It rapidly remediates the spill, which can then be safely contained for final disposal according to your local, state, and federal regulations. Microblaze is listed on the United States Environmental Protection Agency National Contingency Plan schedule as a bioremediation agent. These are only a few scenes illustrating the many uses of Microblaze microbial products. Using them on your spills and leaks helps cut down on our pollution problems. Its pleasant aroma cuts down odors, while its unique cleaning and digesting properties get rid of organic waste quickly and effectively. Microblaze microbial products, partnering with nature for a cleaner tomorrow.